and welcome to another episode of Learning How to Automate in Under 3 Minutes with Zenphi. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can extract fields from your invoices using Gemini, so let's go ahead and get started. The first step to any Zenphi flow is to set up your trigger. In Zenphi, the trigger is going to be what initiates your flow. For this example, we're going to be using the Google Drive trigger, meaning every time a file is added to a Google Drive folder, we're going to be able to start our flow. To set up your trigger, all you have to do is click up at the top, and then you're going to be able to create a new connection by clicking on the plus icon. This is going to grant Zenphi permission to be able to access your Google Drive. All you have to do is press on the plus icon. You can select if that connection will be private or shared, and after you click on authorize, you're going to be able to select which folder you want to monitor. To do so, simply click on the Google Drive icon and select the folder from your drive. Zenphi has a very powerful invoice processor on its own. However, if you already have a Gemini subscription that you want to utilize inside of Zenphi, you can do so using this action that is called Generative AI Gemini. All you have to do is select the model of your Gemini subscription, whether it be Pro, Flash, or Pro Vision. Simply indicate your API key. And then in system instructions, what we're going to do is indicate what we want it to return. You can make this as short or as complex as possible. The more specific that you are, the easier it's going to be for generative AI to understand what you'd like it to do. In this case, I'm just letting it know which fields I'd like to extract and to return in JSON format. Here you can select the input. If you're going to be using a photo, you can enable this option. And down at the bottom, you can also enable to be able to have the output be returned in JSON. After that, what we're going to do is convert the JSON to an object that we can actually utilize and visualize in an easier fashion. So this action is called Convert JSON to Object. All you have to do is using the token picker, which is this chain icon. We're going to click on this, select the output of the previous action, the generative AI, and then here where it says schema, we're going to indicate the JSON schema for the objects. Here I've indicated the 3 fields that I need to be able to extract. And then using a log to history action, we can simply display the information so we can visualize it in a more organized fashion, but you'd be able to use the output of the convert JSON to object in any of your other actions. Let's go ahead and save and select a file to test run. And as we can see here, it has gone through all of the steps. If we look at our logs, it has exported the values properly. And that would be everything. As you can see, it can be very simple to be able to implement Gemini into your existing Zenphi flows. If you're interested in learning more about how to automate in under 3 minutes, the playlist will be linked down below, as long as a link to be able to book a demo meeting with our specialized team. Thank you so much for watching.